Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart Ads with Rayhan. Are you getting locked out of your Google Ads account, seeing weird permission errors, or cannot even get in? No worries, in this video, I am going to show you the exact steps to fix your Google Ads access issue, whether you are a freelancer, business owner, or agency manager. Let's fix it in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Google Ads account dashboard, admin, access and security, plus icon click, write down email address, Google Ads account access, select account label access, email only, billing, read only, standard, admin, standard, send invitation, but this mail address is not in an allowed domain. To make change to the allowed domain list, update your security setting. Let's solve it. Security, allow domain, add domain, write down gmail.com, save. Again, access and security, plus icon click, write down email address, standard, send invitation, confirm. That's all for today. Your Google Ads access should be back to normal now. If you are still having issue, drop a comments below. I will personally reply. This is video. If it helped, hit subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any upcoming video. Google Ads tips. This is Rayhan from SmartAds and I will see you in the next one.